Hello and good morning students. Welcome back to your EVS class. In the previous class, we completed chapter 2. From this class, we are going to start revision. So, in today's class, I am going to discuss some of the points of chapter 1. You need to refer all the videos of chapter 1 and along with that, you need to also refer this revision video. Please join Zoom classes every day so that you can be clear with the topics and the things which are going on. Can you tell me with whom do you live at your home? Yes, you are right, with your father, mother, brother and sister, right? We all have a family and all these members in the family are our family members. All the family members who live together in the same house are considered as our family. In a family, there may be 5 members or more than 5 members, right? I have already told you what is a family in the previous videos, whatever I have made for chapter 1. So, you must be knowing what is a family. Group of people who live together in the same house are known as family. Who are the family members? The people who live in the family or the members of our family are known as family members. You can say that your father, your mother, your brother and sister are your family members. Now you can see on the screen what is a family. A group of people living together in a house is called a family. Right, students? So this is the definition for a family. A group of people living together in a house is called a family. Then the second question is, who are family members? All the members of a family are known as family members. So this both questions are very important. Then now I'll show you my family members. Okay. So here is my family. Here's my father. She is my mother. She is my sister. And this is me, right? So all of them, right, including me, are my family members. We all make a family, right? As you have seen my screen, there I have written the question what is family, and along with that I have written who are family members, right? So from that you can see the definition of what is a family and who are family members. Other than that, you have seen my family, right? I have made a hierarchy, or you can say a tree-like structure. From that you were explained that there was my father, mother, me and my sister in that tree-like structure. Through that I explained you about family and family members. I hope you are clear with all the explanations. Now we are going to discuss about types of family. How many types of families are there? In the previous chapter videos I have told you that there are 2 types of families. First is small family, second is large family, right? And I had also told you that small family consists of parents along with their children. But if we talk about large family, then there are more than 4 to 5 members. Like there are grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, cousins, along with your parents and you. So a large family does not have 4 to 5 members, but there are more than 4 to 5 members in large family. Small family is also known as nuclear family, while large family is known as joint family. Here on the screen you can see types of families. There are 2 types of family which are as follows: small family and large family. Small family is also known as nuclear family, while large family is also known as joint family. Small family is having 4 to 5 members, while large family is having more than 4 to 5 members. Okay, this one is small family, this one is large family. Now I am going to show you the pictures of small family and large family. Now you can see two pictures. First is of small family. There are only parents and children. In the another picture you can see large family. There are grandparents, uncle, aunts, pet, cousins, right? They all are in large family. Some of you must be having pets at your home, like dog or cat. They can also be considered as our family members. You can count them also in family because they are also living with you in the same house. So they are also considered to be our family member. Moving forward, all the families are different from another family. Some of your friends must be having 5 members, but you may be having only 4 members. Some of the family must be having their grandparents living with them in the same house. But it may also happen that some of the students are not having their grandparents living with them, but they live in village, right? So in this way, every family differs. As I told you that every family differs from another family, all the family members are important. All family members play a unique role in a family. They all are different from each other, but they are always ready to support each other. So that was all for today's class. I had made you revise previous topics which we have already discussed in the earlier videos. I hope you will refer all the videos and do the revision part as well for assessment. As I have already discussed in the Zoom class that we are going to have some assessment test also. So please be prepared for test, refer all the videos and always attend Zoom class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.